In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create tasks manually in HubSpot so you can stay organized, follow up with leads on time, and keep your sales process running smoothly. Whether you're using HubSpot for sales, customer service, or general CRM management, tasks are one of the most powerful features to help you stay on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a task from scratch, assign it properly, set priorities, and link it to the right records. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on CRM. When the drop-down menu appears, select Tasks. You can also access tasks by clicking the checkmark icon in the left sidebar menu, depending on your layout. This will take you to your Tasks dashboard, where you can see all existing tasks, filter them by status, and manage your workload efficiently. This area gives you a complete overview of what's due today, upcoming tasks, and overdue items. Now that you're inside the Tasks section, the next step is to create a new task. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on the Create Task button. As soon as you click it, a panel will slide open from the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll enter all the important details for your new task. HubSpot keeps everything neatly organized in this panel, so you can quickly fill in the necessary information without leaving the page. Let's go through each field so you understand exactly what to enter. First, you'll see the title field. This is where you give your task a clear and specific name. For example, instead of writing Call, you might write Call John Smith about pricing proposal. Being specific helps you understand exactly what needs to be done when you review your task list later. Next, choose the type of task. HubSpot allows you to select options such as call, email, or to-do. Select the type that best matches the action you need to complete. This helps with reporting and filtering later, especially if you want to see how many calls or emails you've scheduled. After that, set the due date. This is extremely important because it ensures the task appears in your schedule at the right time. You can select a specific date and even set a time if needed. Setting accurate due dates help prevent missed follow-ups and keeps your pipeline moving. Then, choose the priority level. You can typically mark tasks as low, medium, or high priority. If something is urgent, like a hot lead waiting for a callback, mark it as high so it stands out in your task list. Next, assign the task. In the Assign To field, choose the team member responsible for completing the task. If you're creating it for yourself, simply leave your name selected. If you're a manager assigning work to a sales rep, make sure you select the correct person from the drop-down list. One of the most important steps is linking the task to a related record. This could be a contact, company, deal, or ticket. Start typing the name of the record, then select it from the list. Associating tasks with records keeps all communication and activity organized within that specific contact or deal timeline. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, review everything quickly to make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, click Save at the bottom of the panel. And just like that, your task is created and added to your task list. That's it. You now know how to manually create tasks in HubSpot, assign them properly, set priorities, and link them to the right records so nothing falls through the cracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy HubSpot guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.